Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Guru easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Guru website. On the home page, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with registration options. You can sign up using your email address or connect with a social media account. If you choose to use email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password to secure your account. Follow the password requirements listed on the screen. After entering your information, click the Continue button. If you opted for social media registration, follow the prompts to connect your account. Next, you will receive a confirmation email from Guru. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, you will be redirected back to the Guru website. Now, complete your profile by filling in your personal information. Include your name, location, and any relevant skills or expertise. It's important to add a profile picture to enhance your profile's visibility. Once your profile is complete, click the Save button. Your registration is now complete, and you can start exploring Guru. Feel free to browse projects and connect with potential clients. You are now ready to take advantage of the opportunities on Guru. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.